PIC Plumbing Services offers a wide variety of plumbing services. General drain cleaning, to hydrojetting, to video inspections, to epoxy lining. Tankless water heaters, to commercial water heaters, even residential water heaters. And we also are focused on green technology, heat pumps, and other sources. To me, where PIC really shines is our communication and our responsiveness. We want to make sure that you understand the entire process from start to finish. Our responsiveness is also a key factor for our success. We usually respond within the first hour of booking the call. Our clients get a 2-hour window so they can plan their day accordingly. PIC is truly about integrity. We're there to solve the initial problem at hand, not to upsell you on something that you don't need. These principles are the moral compass of PIC, which fosters valuable and trusting relationships with our clients. We guarantee 100% satisfaction. Whether you're a residential customer or a commercial customer with any plumbing needs, feel free to give us a call today.